Look at all these happy animals. All these happy animals coexisting. I even hear a dog in the background. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. It's snowing in Flagstaff, from what I've been told. And it's decided to start pouring since I've been outside. Look how muddy she is. You're so muddy. Such a good thing I brushed you out earlier, huh? Come on, Lou. Come on, Lucy Lou. Want some dinner? Yes, you do, pretty girl. Let's close the gate now. It's always gates. We're always playing with the gates, aren't we, honey? Oh, stuck. I know. I know. Did you hear that sound? You're so cute. Alright, everybody say hello, and then I'm going to turn this off so I can feed everybody. Say hi. Say hi, Trixie. Say hi, Coco. Say hi, chickens. You guys want peanuts? I think you want some peanuts. Savannah? You gonna say hi? Hi, honey. Yeah. Alright. Lou? Can't leave you out, honey. Alright, I'll just feed you. And that is our view for the day. No Sedona. Just goats and chickens. Huh. Huh. Yeah. Coco and I are buds. Yeah, we're buds, aren't we? Alright, bye.